Maraming salamat, ating DepEd Secretary, Secretary Sani Angara. Hindi ko po matanggal sa mukha ko yung aking ngiti dahil matagal ko nang inaambisyon na gawin ito. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Batiin ko lang po ang ating Mayor ng City of Makati, Mayor Nancy Binay. Siyempre, ang pinakamahalaga na nandito ngayon, lahat kayo na bagong sumpa, na promoted na mga teacher at school head ng DepEd. My fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, sa magandang araw, napakagandang araw sa inyong lahat. Today is a very meaningful day, not only for our teachers but also for our entire country. As you take your oath today, you are renewing the promise that you have made to our children and to our nation. Because you carry a big responsibility every single day inside the classrooms and always extending way beyond school hours. Batid ko po ang bigat ng inyong tungkulin. Kung minsan, pag uwi ninyo sa gabi, imbis na magpahinga, nakatutok pa kayo sa paggawa ng lesson plan, pag-check ng mga papel at saka mga assignment. Kayo rin ang tumatayong pangalawang magulang para sa ating mga estudyante at gumagabay sa ating mga kabataan. At kapag kailangan ng bayan, kayo ang nagbabantay sa presinto pa tuwing eleksyon. At pag nagpupunta sa bawat bahay para sa mga census activities. And for that, this nation is grateful to you all. As your public servant, I believe that our fight to build a better government begins through education and through the people who mold the minds of our youth. Many of our country's problems today cannot be remedied by laws or by policies alone. They require discipline, they require honesty and compassion. Values that, while first nurtured within the Filipino home, are further shaped and strengthened in our schools by you, our teachers. Sa bawat batang natuto ng tama at mali, sa bawat kaalaman na naibabahagi dito nagsisimula ang pagbabago. At kayo, ang ating mga guro, ang humuhubog nito.